SOLIDWORKS Design Standard for students is a powerful 3D computer-aided design set of software tools used to turn your ideas into real designs and help prepare you for your careers in engineering and product design. All around the world, millions of students use SOLIDWORKS, and we want you to be part of our community. You can start by signing up for SOLIDWORKS Design Standard, free for students, and installing it on your Windows PC. So what is SOLIDWORKS? Your great ideas start with a sketch. In SOLIDWORKS Design Standard for students, this is a simple and intuitive process, and instant feedback and a palette of tools instantly generate 3D shapes with a host of features. As a parametric design tool, SOLIDWORKS Design Standard enables you to modify dimensions precisely, either numerically or with on-screen manipulators. Intelligence is central to SOLIDWORKS Design Standard, and with predictive artificial intelligence assistance to eliminate those tedious tasks with extensive libraries, 3D designs come alive when virtually assembling your components. Parts and assemblies can be snapped together with a simple drag and drop, visualizing range of motion and mimicking real-life behavior. Designs can be integrated for fit, interference, mass properties. SOLIDWORKS Design makes documenting and detailing quick and easy. Starting with a standard drawing sheet, 2D views are conveniently dragged into place from a view palette. Automatic projection views are created, and section views can be generated by snapping to model references. Existing model dimensions can be revealed with a single click. Assembly drawings illustrate components in context and learning about manufacturing documentation. Manufacturing processes require different modeling techniques. Create sheet metal parts with industry standard features. Flat patterns prepare the 3D model for the manufacturing process. Dedicated framing system tools automate the process of generated welded and bolted structures. An accurate cut list is automatically created. Powerful surface design tools give you control over even the most complex shapes, along with mold design tools. Start designing, experimenting, and building skills. The SOLIDWORKS tutorials inside of SOLIDWORKS help get you started. Follow along our YouTube playlist to learn more techniques. Expand your knowledge with MySOLIDWORKS video lessons and PDF instruction at solidworks.com/curriculum. SOLIDWORKS Design is the industry standard for mechanical CAD and used where you want to design and have a career. Data from LinkedIn shows the results. With over 1 million certified SOLIDWORKS users, you can prove to employers your skill sets. Find out more about exam content and the cost of these exams at solidworks.com/certification. Students, you are invited to join our community of SOLIDWORKS users at swuggen.org for free. There are virtual and in-person meetings for people with a passion to design and learn. Check out our web pages for information on how you can get free SOLIDWORKS Design Standard for students and all of our student offerings. Thank you, and have fun using SOLIDWORKS.